Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we bring to light the intriguing story of Analog Devices and how it grew to become one of the 500 largest enterprises in the United States. From its humble beginnings to a world-renowned technology company, the journey has been exhilarating, filled with challenges, triumphs, and milestones. As a technology company with a history stretching over half a century, Analog Devices spent its early years focusing on analog chip design. It was founded in 1965 by two MIT graduates, Ray Stata and Matthew Lorber. Their vision was to establish a company that would set the standards for analog semiconductor technology. For the most part of the 1960s, the firm headquartered in Cambridge, Massachusetts, accrued recognition as a reliable analog design company. This recognition was largely due to the high-quality products they consistently espoused, but it was in the tumultuous decade of the 1970s that they took a monumental leap forward. As the technology landscape rapidly evolved, Analog Devices found ways to navigate the shifting currents. The company focused its efforts on bolstering its product portfolio to cater to a broader range of industries. It began offering a wider selection of products that addressed the needs of innovative companies operating in burgeoning sectors like healthcare, renewable energy, and automotive. Fast forward to the 1980s, and the team at Analog Devices was making groundbreaking progress. It was during this period that the company scored several technological triumphs, designed and delivered an impressive array of products, and established itself as a veritable force within the semiconductor industry. Fueled by its continuous commitment to innovation and quality, Analog Devices earned a distribution for developing a wide range of revolutionary products, several of which catered to the aviation and space exploration industries. This success only served to ignite the company with a greater sense of determination to continue pushing towards newer and faster innovations. As we dawned into the high-risk, high-stakes decade of the 1990s, Analog Devices was prepping itself up for the big leagues. It was during this decade that the company's commitment to innovation led them to produce the world's first full signal processing pipeline IC, an achievement that helped them gain industry acclaim and fortify their status as an emblem of technological innovation. As the 21st century unfolded, Analog Devices was more than ready to meet the challenges it presented. This tech-savvy enterprise put its focus on digital signal processing and the developing communication infrastructure. They were right on the digital age's leading edge, making precision solutions that powered everything from healthcare devices to communication and navigation systems, among others. Buoyed by a resounding success in its field of focus, Analog Devices further solidified its foothold in the industry. It began acquiring companies whose products and expertise would complement its existing portfolio and pave the way for both the company's expanded scope and increased influence. Fast forward to the present, and Analog Devices stands tall as a testament to the extraordinary power of human ingenuity and determination. With a global workforce surpassing 15,000 individuals, it operates offices and design centers worldwide, and counts some of the most recognizable global brands among its customers. Indeed, the growth in Analog Devices' reach and influence is not only a function of its commitment to innovation and its unwavering focus on quality. The company also expressly embraces diversity and inclusion, believing that a diverse and inclusive workforce is a key driver of innovation and business growth. Taking a closer look at Analog Devices' current range of products, we see a company that has successfully evolved with the times. While analog and digital technology continue to be vital components of its product offerings, it is also diversified into other areas to capitalize on emerging market trends. This diversification is most seen in the company's acceleration toward the Internet of Things, IoT, phenomenon. As the digital world drives toward a landscape where every device is interconnected, Analog Devices has eagerly provided the digital glue that enables precise sensing and accurate signal conditioning for numerous applications. The evolution toward the digital age has also seen Analog Devices provide brains to a world seeking increasingly intelligent automation systems. The advanced ICs it designs cater to robotics, autonomous vehicles, and medical automation, contributing to safer, more efficient technological systems. The company has also ventured into the realm of autonomous vehicle technologies. Working at the intersection of automotive and technology, it provides the necessary high-performance signal processing components that aid in the realization of safer, more reliable, and efficient self-driving systems. In the broader context of the Internet's surging capacity demands, Analog Devices has been instrumental in providing networking solutions that ensure reliable, high-speed communication for everything from cloud computing to wireless smartphones. We also witness Analog Devices' involvement in renewable energy systems, with components catering to the solar and wind energy industries. Amid the growing emphasis on decarbonization, the company has committed a significant part of its resources to furthering power management and power conversion technology. Taking a slight step back, we see Analog Devices' extensive dealing in consumer technology, providing the essential internal organs of numerous gadgets and gizmos. From smart kitchen appliances that can weigh ingredients down to the last milligram to fitness trackers that scrutinize minutiae in real time, down to the very root of human existence, Analog Devices facilitates advancements in medical technology. Its components empower life-saving equipment, ranging from MRI machines to implantable pacemakers, spotlighting the company's profound impact on global healthcare. Analog Devices has long been associated with the realms of aerospace and defense, where precision and reliability are absolute necessities. This extends from the internet and IoT-enabled consumer electronics to advanced communication systems and high-clean radiation-hardened, HERL, products for space. Among the many achievements of Analog Devices is the sense of connectivity. It has successfully bridged the physical and digital worlds, creating an environment where people, equipment, and systems communicate, cooperate, and achieve remarkable outcomes. Despite the numerous successes, Analog Devices remains unyielding in its pursuit of continuous improvement. From harnessing the potential of artificial intelligence to leveraging the opportunities presented by 5G, it continues to spearhead advancements that push the boundaries of what's technologically possible. If the history of Analog Devices has taught us anything, it is that opportunities for growth, improvement, and innovation are fraught with challenges. The story of Analog Devices serves as a call to action for aspiring entrepreneurs, that with vision, perseverance, and the willingness to adapt, anyone can surmount the hurdles and go on to make a significant impact in the world. One cannot help but marvel at the astounding evolution of Analog Devices. What started as an unassuming firm with 8 employees, now stands as one of the mightiest forces in the global semiconductor market. It is a story that is continually unfolding, a testament to the power of human ingenuity, resilience, and determination. Embarking on the journey from the fringes of obscurity to the pinnacle of prosperity, the story of Analog Devices is a blueprint for technological excellence. It narrates a tale infused with tireless effort, dauntless audacity, and steadfast resolution. A testament to how, when driven by a vision and an unyielding commitment, the horizon of possibilities is truly boundless. Analog Devices remains committed to its purpose, to change the world through technology. It is this dedication that promises a continued unraveling of the company's potential, expanding its reach, heightening its influence, and most importantly, positively impacting its customers, employees, partners, and the world at large. As we sum up our journey through the annals of Analog Devices history, we can gain several valuable insights. The company clearly illustrates the centrality of customer proximity, technology and product innovation, operational excellence, and a strong financial position in driving profitable growth over the long term. Received acclaim from various quarters including being listed on the New York Stock Exchange, Analog Devices has hustled its way to ascend to the ranks of S&P 500, thereby stamping its authority as a major player in the semiconductor industry. The story of Analog Devices is not a tale of technological advancement in isolation. It is a synthesis of human ideas, perseverance, innovation, and the limitless capability to dream. It's a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit, the virtue of teamwork, the power of vision, the importance of never backing down. As we arrive at the conclusion of this exploration, we leave you with several concepts to ponder. What future technological marvels is Analog Devices currently brewing behind its towering walls? What direction will its aggiornamento take it? And, most importantly, how will it continue to change the world and the way we perceive it? A company that has repeatedly stamped its authority in the face of fierce technological disruptions, Analog Devices stands today as a fortress built on the pillars of innovation, reliability, and unwavering customer focus, setting an example history is bound to remember and cherish. It's a tale about venture capital, 21st century innovation and developers, showcasing technological wizardry in diverse industries, wielding a power that ultimately improves the quality of life for the global populace. It's a tale that sparks unrelenting hope, faith, and conviction, reinforcing the idea that anything is possible. Running high on the spirit of innovation that has characterized its journey so far, Analog Devices continues to build robust partnerships, invests smartly in research and design, and is guided by a strong value system that emphasizes performance, integrity, and teamwork. The story of Analog Devices isn't just about technology. It's about the balance technology strives to achieve, harmonizing the mechanical with the digital, the ancient with the contemporary. It's about reconfiguring the world, manipulating the usual to create the extraordinary. And thus, as a testament to its rich tradition and potent future, Analog Devices continues to serve as a venerable force in the high-tech universe, never ceasing to unravel unprecedented and impactful technological advancements that resolutely shape the course of future.